When your shop yearns for enchantment, a keeper of melody appears as the hero of the day. With each graceful stroke of her bow, luminous treasures awaken. Every gift is a singular masterpiece, reflecting the spirit of your store through the artistry of the violist. Where music is not an ornament, but the pulse that gives each creation its soul. Our Virtuoso Fashion's custom handmade bags bring life to your store. As notes with devotion and craft, these are not mere designs, but streams in time of an artist's heart that dances in rhythm and rhyme, each pound with its eternal pattern, yet never the same. The Violist brings harmony, brilliance, and a touch of symphony, transforming your shop into a gallery of gifts that shimmer with music's eternal essence, made for your store. Let us help you fill your store with gifts that sing.